In one of its biggest overhaul of immigration rules, the UK government has proposed that migrants who are in the UK legally could have to wait up to 20 years before they can settle permanently. The government has announced that the qualifying period for indefinite leave to remain will be extended from 5 to 10 years and will apply to the estimated 1.6 million who arrived since 2021. Furthermore, immigrants exploiting the system could face an increased 30-year wait time for residency in the UK, the highest in Europe. Moreover, low-paid workers too could face a 15-year wait for residency. However, there is good news for Indian immigrants as the government sought to prevent its immigration clampdown from turning away skilled workers. My colleague Disha Bagchi joins us with more details. Disha, decode this policy further for us.
Absolutely, Aditi. So what has happened now is that the UK government has increased its clampdown on immigrants, but sort of to balance it out and not really shoo away any high-skilled talent, and they've been trying to woo high-skilled talent. So why is this good news for Indian immigrants? Well, the residency track for high-skilled talent has been reduced to now a 5-year wait from a 10-year wait. In fact, nurses, doctors, teachers, to give some context to our viewers, Indians make up the largest cohort of doctors in the UK. So for them now, they only have to wait for 3 years and stay in the UK for 3 years before getting that permanent residency status. So this is excellent news for high-skilled talent. In fact, high earners who earn more than 125,000 pounds will in fact also be eligible for this 3-year fast-track residency status. So this is excellent news for Indian immigrants at a time when various countries, in fact the US has been cracking down on high-skilled talent, including the H-1B visa, and shooing away high-skilled talent from the country. So now UK in this new proposed change has in this effort is now trying to woo Indian talent, bring them to the UK, and has now reduced this residency time before they get the residency settlement status.